Well, so I'm at this place called the Kids Center, and see, I have my yummy pizza in front of me. So it's like this. The most amazing part about Kids Center is that it's this entire party vibe. You know that it's certain. They say right, certain places have an aura. So Kids Center has this place where you come here and you just relax. So take a look around, people. It is beautiful. So yeah, so I mean, and since it is attached to this American school, the New York Academy, it's got the whole. It's like, I mean, the coming generation can look forward to an education system that is complete. It's got a very I'd highly recommend this place. So yeah, I'm just waiting to dig into this pizza. So I'll catch you all in my next video. Until then, thanks for watching and please subscribe.